Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little night routine, but with a plot twist that there was a thunderstorm. So let's get started. Okay, so Phoebe's playing on her iPad. I'm gonna go see what Avery is doing right now. Well, I mean, she must be doing her homework because she has an exam tomorrow. Avery, aren't you supposed to be doing your homework? Oh, yeah, I was just taking a small break. Well, it didn't look like a small break to me. How long were you even sleeping? 5, 10, 15, 20, probably an hour. An hour? I thought you were doing your homework this whole entire time. I'll do it. Okay, I'm gonna go to make lunch. I'm gonna see what the others want. Phoebe, what do you want for dinner? Can I get chicken bacon with egg? Sure. I'll go see what your dad wants. What do you want for dinner? Maybe eggs and bacon? Oh, the same as Phoebe. Okay. By the way, I turned on all the lights because it was really dark outside. I mean, look at the weather. It's pretty dark. I'm gonna go and make the dinner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already set out all the plates on the tables. I'm gonna go ahead and call everyone. Now that everyone's on the table, let's all eat. Go ahead and wash the dishes. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Thanks. Aubrey is gonna stay with me for a while I wash the dishes. I'm gonna go put Aubrey to sleep right now. Yep, I'm gonna go watch a small movie and maybe drink some coffee. What was that? It's probably a thunderstorm. Well, it's raining outside and it's so loud. I'm going to my room. Oh my god, Aubrey. It's okay, don't cry. It's just a thunderstorm. Nothing will happen. Trust me. The power went out. Let me check my phone. I checked my phone a while ago and it said that we're not allowed to get out of the house since it's a pretty big heavy rain and for the night. But the power will go back on tomorrow. Can I put in my iPad? Sure. We're all gonna go and sleep and yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and